Hi Hari, welcome to my channel Blue Hand Drawing. Today we are going to draw the flag of Costa Rica, and this flag, it's a rectangular shape. So we already have drawn the rectangle here, and this flag has two colors. One is dark blue and another one is red, and it has white in the middle. All right, so for that one, let's do the border outline. So smaller rectangles on both sides, which are dark blue color. Let's draw that one first. All right, so one is this side, another one is on the other side. Okay, and there's a red color in the middle, so again using the red sign pen. All right, another sign pen here. Okay, now putting the red color in the middle. This is it. All right. Now we are going to fill up the borders and the corners of the rectangle so that this looks much better and the colors become the uniform, and the visually it makes a nice separation from the white part and the blue part. So we always try to make the borders and the corners as uniform as possible. This is almost done. Okay, so you can see here the middle part is nice red. Okay, now we're going to put the dark blue color on the top part of this flag. All right, let's fill up the corners and the borders of this rectangle more uniform for a nice outlook. All right, the color here looks good. Another color you can see here, the dark blue. Okay, this is like the mirror of that one. So you can see that two blue colors is on both sides of the red color here. That is going to be the Costa Rican flag. Sometimes it's pronounced as Costa Rican. All right. So you can see here the usual blue color and the flag looks good. I hope the drawing is going to end here. This is the flag of Costa Rica and the color combination. Everything looks good. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icons on to have the more updates. And you can browse through our playlist and you can have lots of choices. We have lots of drawings in different categories, in different segments. Just go to the playlist and browse through the playlist in different categories. You have lots of choices. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.